Hey guys, welcome back to my cooking video. So for today I will be making this chicken corn soup, so stay tuned. Let's get started. So first you want to rinse off the chicken and cut off the butthole because you don't want to use it, and also trim off the fat. And then after that, just put the chicken into the water. Next, rinse the ginger, then cut it into pieces. And then peel off the garlic and shallot and smash them. And then also rinse off the scallion. Next, put all the ingredients into the water with the chicken. While we're waiting for the stock, you can also rinse off the cauliflower. Then slice it into bite pieces. Then you want to rinse off the corn and pull out the string. Then trim the corn into corn kernel. And then after the stock is boiling, you want to turn down the heat. And in here I will put also the corn knobs to make it more sweet. Also don't forget to put the dried shrimp. Then mix it well. Then let it simmer until for about 40 to 45 minutes. And then don't forget to skim out the dirty things. While we wait for that, you can also prepare the egg. In here I will using 3 eggs. And then beat the egg until it was smooth. And then after for about 45 minutes, you can take out the chicken and then filter the stock. And here is what the stock is look like. And for the chicken, you want to shred it into pieces. In here I will separate the corn and shredded pieces chicken into 2 parts, one for the blended part and one to put into the soup. Now let's put the cauliflower into the stock. And then wait until it was a little bit soft. Then you want to prepare a mixture of oyster sauce and also soy sauce. After it was boiling, you can put the mixture in and then make sure to stir it well. And then after it was soft, you can put it in the corn and also shredded chicken. And then after that, you want to transfer it into the blender and also blend it. Because I want it to have more texture, so I just blend it for a while. And then transfer it back into the stove and don't forget to trim off or skim off the bubble. And then after that, you can put on the egg and don't forget to stir it well. And then put on seasoning as you like. Just put on pepper. Mix it well. a little bit of salt as you like. And then the last step, just put in the shredded chicken and also corn. So here is the result. So that's all for today's cooking video. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, share, and comment in the description box below. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!